Hey guys, welcome back. Got Natalia with me today. We're going to try to run some soybeans. I'm just starting around the outside of the field. I tested them. They're running 10.4%. They're running good. Pretty well running good. We've got a few green beans and then just a few pods, but not really much to bother. They're coming through pretty dang clean in the hopper. Pretty decently clean throughout most of the field. We just got those, small pockets that's got the shatter cane and point rows that got some grass in them, but that's kind of to be expected. I can't cultivate that stuff. Point rows. Got a couple morning glories coming in over here. Luckily, they're not very big. You can hear some of the stems being kind of tough yet, but testing 10.3, 10.4, so yeah, I'd kind of like to try to run them. And man, they're pretty clean, pretty nice. Obviously, we got little spots, like that, but I can't complain. Of course, we did a lot of work this year to keep them clean. Cultivated them 4 times, tine weeded them once, used the regular drag harrow twice, and then we came out and hired some Amish to help us walk them. Well, there goes our first dump. We're not quite full, but I'm gonna go all the way around the field now. Oh, hello, neighbor. Neighbor getting ready to run their beans.
They already started.
Man, I put a new auger on that thing and it's leaking out the dang bolt holes up there. You see that?
Huh.
God dang. Well, we'll have to get the duct tape out. Woo, boy, that's a big one. I'm gonna hop out here in a second, have a look at the ground, get another idea if we're leaving any. You want to get out and look? All right, let's go.
There's still beans here. Can I go?
Yeah, that's because I smashed that one down.
Can I go put them in front of the combine?
There is quite a few beans in that row. That's kind of weird. We've got a row that's not cutting very good. Okay, so we got one right there.
Dad, I can go put these in front of the combine.
That's okay now. There's one. There's one. Kind of looking in a square foot. And I got the sieve set down pretty tight, trying to keep all those green beans out. Okay, so I mean that's pretty close to a square foot. Might be a little bit bigger.
Hey, here's one of the corn things.
Yeah, I'm not looking at corn.
From last year.
We got 3. That's not really ideal. There's another one. Maybe better open them sieves up just a wee bit, or at least the tail end. Like I said, I don't want to get a bunch of that green shit in here. Open that tail just a wee bit. And this one changes the front, this one changes the back. I'll show you what they do. Watch. Changes the angle of those louvers, making your gap right here bigger or smaller. That way you can get all the shit out of them that you want to get out of them. Open that back just a wee bit. Keep the front pretty well down. Might change our fan speed too, but it's already pretty low. It's not doing bad. I mean, I've seen a lot worse coming out of some green machines. Pretty new green machines too. And well, I'm not seeing any in that one. Well, one, I guess, right there. Not a bad test. Pretty clean. I mean, for the most part. We'll see what it does here in a minute. Hell yeah, we got the drone back. Just got it back yesterday too, so I'm really grateful that we got it done, got it fixed in time that we can show some harvest this year on it. You guys remember last year when this drone quit working, we were baling corn stalks right beside, I don't know, I'd call it like a substation, like a power substation or a diverter station. A bunch of power lines come together and they, I don't know, they would do whatever they do. But we were flying like within 200 feet of it. I don't know why I didn't think of it until just a couple days ago when I finally found a place to work on the drone. I was thinking about it when he was asking me what happened. I said, you know what, it probably was because I was flying next to those fucking power lines. Whatever. Anyway. And he says, yeah, dude, that's kind of a no-brainer. I mean, there's enough current going through those things that throws off electromagnetic interference. And basically all he did was take the drone apart. He was looking for some connections that would be, you know, malfunctioning or fried or whatever. And couldn't find anything, put it back together, and that's all it did. Basically rebooted the camera. And yeah, now she's fucking fine, so. Yeah! There goes Cameron. One more strip on this side, and the side will be done. I think we're gonna call it a night. It's starting to pick up a little bit of moisture. I'm having to slow down again because you're starting to rumble, which is fine. I wasn't planning on getting it all done today. Should have about 6 or 8 acres left. So we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Well, back at it again today. See, we've just got this little bit right here, and then the little fingers around that way, and that one clay knob over there in the far corner that has all the weeds in it. But we're gaining. We're getting close. Bit of foxtail right there. That's not going to bother. Another small little group of foxtail. About time to go dump again. Well, that's it. We won't worry about that. But here we go. We got, I don't know, maybe 500 bushel on that one and 450 in that one, I guess. I don't know. But we're clear done. Now we just got to wait on the semi to get here this afternoon or tonight. Get her hauled off to the bin. All right, guys, 2024 corn. Geez, I can't even talk. 2024's organic soybeans is done. So, you guys know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. Give me a good thumbs up. Don't forget questions, comments down below. Hey, Viv. Hey, Nat. Till next time, guys. Catch you later.